Yes, it is so peaceful here in the jungle, but I am going to war with one thing. Well, there's two. The mosquitoes and the ants. They are driving me crazy. Look in my corn. It's just filled with ants. They're just really taking over my garden, and something needs to be done. So I do have a solution. I love my one ingredient solutions, and here we go. This is the most difficult word for me to say, Diatomaceous Earth, or DE. And if you want to correct me, go ahead, because I just have so much trouble saying this word. So this is a powder that is safe for you, safe for your dogs. It's just a powdery substance that's a fossilized remains of like tiny organisms known as diatoms. It's like little fossils. So I'm sprinkling this around, and the reason why it works for the ants is because it's like walking on little glass for them. I know I feel a little guilty, but something really has to be done if we're going to garden. Now, it not only works on ants, it also works on fleas, ticks, cockroaches, bed bugs, slugs, mites, and aphids. So I'm just sprinkling it all over. I'm not getting on the leaves too much because we want to make sure that we can get the photosynthesis from the sun, and we don't want to block the rays. So I'm just putting it on the dirt, really heavy around where I see the ants, their little ant hills, and where they're invading my plants. I'm just trying to get this population under control. After it rains, I have to reapply this. There's my girl, Precious. You can even sprinkle this on your dogs for fleas. She doesn't have fleas. I'm just showing you it's perfectly safe. You can put it in their dog beds in the house too. You can sprinkle it around your bed. You can vacuum this stuff up if you have carpet. We don't have carpet in the jungle. You can sprinkle it if you think you have fleas or bugs and vacuum it. This stuff is awesome. And it's perfectly safe. Like I said, dogs, if they walk in it or step in it and lick their paws, unless they get a lot, they'll be perfectly fine. In fact, some people sprinkle it on their dog's food for antiparasitics. The only thing you don't want to do for yourself or your pet is inhale a lot of the powder. There's more information on my blog on www.makethetime.com.